In primetime news this evening, pressure mounts for the Prime Minister to cut ties with Dr. Andrew Wheatley. Should he be ruled out as a JLP candidate? I categorically deny any wrongdoing. The former Energy Minister reacts to the Integrity Commission report, and a look at the recommendations from the report.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the Business Day, Primetime Sports, Sports Commentary, E-Prime and Weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening, what are your thoughts on the future of tourism in Jamaica?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.
News headlines.